It was a fine day on the Trip-Top Railway. The manager gathered the engines for a very important announcement. Yes, sir, we're all here. Okay, now, good. Anyways, engines. I've seen you've been having a struggle lately, so I got us 2 new engines. One's called Tyler. Yo. And one's called... You might recognize the name from a different railway, but it's called Jacob. No, we don't. Yeah, we don't. Oh, thought you did. Nah. I'll probably be the other railway I was looking at. Anyways, yeah. I'll just let the two injure themselves until I wait for George. Yeah. That's what I say. Hey, babe. Wait for me! So, well, Tyler, wait a sec. Tyler, you have a second tender. Oh, yeah, this is just my spare tender. I'll just put that in the cart. Do what? But you won't really need that, only if you go and take a trace over to the mainland. Okay. You can go and... I'll just get... What step did you do that? Wait, what? Stepney, go and take a step over it. Alright then. So, yeah. Yeah. Jacob. You look kind of like me. No. No offense. But I like your type. Running without tender. Yeah, I don't even know what my tender is. It's back in the mainline somewhere. Anyways, yeah. You guys will just... Wait. Where's my shit? Oh, yeah, I'm back here. I forgot to say the jobs. Tyler, just... sorry. Just help hang with the freight, and... Jacob, you can help James with the express. Anyways, must go. Anyways, okay, yeah, that's cool. That's chill. Let's chill. Yeah. What do we do now? I'll just go to the odds of ideas. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Okay. I'll go to the odds. Well, I better go and take my local cold drink. And all the engines set off. And the engines were getting the work done. So, James, so it's all trucks over there, I guess? Yeah. James had forgot to tell Tyler about how the trucks are very bad. Now I must go. Where's the last one? Bro, he's kind of weird though. Yeah. Okay, let's go. The trucks knew those. The new engine decided to stop their plans. Guys, when you guys up the hill, hold back. Alright then. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Tyler didn't realize this until they're going up the hill. As Tyler was going up the hill, it happened. Tyler was pushed down the other side at great speed. Ah! Help me! Stepney was waiting for Tyler to pass by, but didn't realize that Tyler was going to have a very bad incident. Oh dear, look out, Stepney! It's gonna happen all at once. tail bash into the back of set and then whoa! Causing himself and the trucks go flying and crashing onto the ground. Except they be bumped into the fly with his first back crashing down. Trucks bashing into one of each other, flying in the air. The other coach goes rolling down to skidding onto the ground. The whole entire accident was so destructive that the whole entire main line was dented. Oh, you're right there, engines. Oh, sorry. Oh, my head. I've lost. Oh dear, my dome's missing. Don't worry, engines. We'll send you to the works at the meantime. Now I'll just go and do something. I gotta go and organize this. And the 2 engines were sent to the works. Will they ever come out? Will they be fixed? We're gonna see you next time on Chip Top Railway!